Hi, brief calculus students. The nderiv function on your calculator is extremely useful. Let me show you. I put in a function 15e to the something something. So this is an exponential function where the function is in the exponent. And so I just graphed it right here. If you can use the nderivative, you can find the derivative at any point on this graph without all the calculus work. So let me just go ahead and quit. Well, I'll do the nderivative again like I did before. So that was math down to number 8. And again, we tell it the variable, which is the function y1. The variable in the function is x. Find the derivative at 5. Negative 1.13. Again, I can do a draw. Actually, it works better if I'm on the graph. Okay, draw. I want the tangent line 5 at the point x equals 5. And again, see, I'm going to get the same number for in the slope as I did the derivative. Now, this is really cool. Go to y equals, come down, and let's put the nderivative in here. Nderivative of the function y1, variable is x, and find the function at any x, close parenthesis. Probably have to clear that exponent out. So it looks like, see, this is the derivative right here. So it was falling down fairly steep. Now it's falling down less and less and less steep. And if I go to the table, I can find the derivative at any point. So at 7, the function itself is 3. The derivative, or the slope at that point, is negative 7. We can see how it's getting really close to 0. So let me clear, see, delete, delete. So if I wanted negative 10, see, it's a big number and it's falling down steeply. Negative 5, 0, 5, and 10. So you can see that it is a decreasing function, although the function itself is always going to stay positive. The slope is decreasing at a decreasing rate. But it'll approach 0, but it will never go positive all of a sudden. So it's going to stay approach 0, just like the function itself is going to approach 0. Let me put in 100. See, we're getting really close to 0 right here. So they're both, so it's going to try to connect. Right there, 0. They'll never cross, they'll never meet, but their limit as x approaches infinity is going to be 0. So this nderivative function on your calculator is really cool, and I wanted you to know about it.